As the Presidential Task Force PTF on COVID-19 marks 6 months, Chairman of the PTF and Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Mr. Boss Mustapha, says coronavirus COVID-19 cases curve in the country is flattening. Mustapha said this in Abuja at the 66th Joint National Briefing of the Task Force. News Agency of Nigeria reports that the PTF marked exactly 6 months after its inauguration on March 17th. He also appealed to health workers, particularly Johesu members, to end their strike as the country needs them now more than ever.
As we observe this landmark timeline, I wish to remind us that the world has hit 30,026,460 cases. Africa has cumulatively reached 1,380,223 cases, while Nigeria has also reached 56,604 cases. These are human beings that have been infected by the coronavirus. Of particular note is the fact that India has crossed the 5 million cases mark and continues to report the highest daily case load over the past 6 weeks. These numbers are reminders that point to the need to gird our loins tightly in our national response and build stronger and more unified global collaborative efforts to overcome the virus. Again, we reiterate the underlying objectives of the United Nations General Assembly resolution, calling for global collaboration as the most veritable vehicle to fighting the virus. Looking back at our national response, using science, data, and experience from other countries, we cannot but say that tremendous progress has been made and that we are beginning to notice that the curve is flattening. However, as we have always stated, this positive development should be taken with vigilance and cautious optimism. This is based on the fact that we are convinced that we have not tested enough. We have only recently reopened our international airspace, and that nations that have opened up their economies have done a rethink following the resurgence of cases in their countries. While the PTF regrets all inconveniences experienced by arriving passengers or departing passengers, I wish to state that the overriding public interest is a critical factor propelling these policies. The issues with access to the portal, costs, pre-boarding, validity timing, and other factors remain work in progress and shall be reviewed as and when necessary. The Presidential Task Force shall remain open to your suggestions and comments. The ongoing strike has been very costly in terms of human lives, but such losses can be avoided. Government shall continue to do its best to push through the negotiations with the unions, and hopefully reason shall prevail very soon.